Sex window. Now, if you all will excuse me, I am about to go and park my car on her parking spot.
Ew.
As if there is anything more important
Get
than
out.
this.
I still want the spot,
Obviously
though.
not getting the spot.
And then there were 3.
That's right. Just the way I want it.
Come out! Good job, guys.
Yes!
How do you two care about stuff so much?
Well, you know what this means, Jessica, don't you? Nicholas Miller is now the swing vote.
What? No!
He's right, because we're both voting for ourselves. So that makes you the decider.
You are on your own. I'm out.
You can't escape destiny. She comes for us all, that relentless bitch. That's right. Destiny's a lady.
Destiny might be a lady, but victory has a penis. Direct quote, Scott Kahn.